I have some cooked jumbo shells. Grab your shells and stuff them with mozzarella and place that back in. Add your balls to all of them. These are the shells I used, and these are the mozzarella balls. Boop. Get some ricotta, and I'm adding this into a mixing bowl. Some yummy ground beef. Pour that right in. Add some Italian seasoning. Just really make it snow on this. And of course, we'll need some salt, so just add some salt. Now this is so easy, just mix this up. Yum. Now scoop up some of your filling here and add it on top of your ball. Oh yeah, smooth that out good. Pinch these together and place them back inside. Just get that all in there. Once these are all stuffed, grab some tomatoes, boop, olive oil, onion, Italian breath ruiner. We're almost done here, everyone. And now you can add those gorgeous plums. Break them up. And this is the secret. Add in some passata. Oh yeah. And that Italian seasoning. Mix and you're done. Yes. This smells so good. In we go. Oh yeah. Pour that right over top your shells. The longer you let this reduce, the thicker your sauce gets. I love doing the sauce homemade, but you can also use a jar if you'd like. Last one, cover them up. If you don't have time to let the sauce thicken, you can also add some tomato paste. Time for some cheese. Sprinkle this right over top. Spread this out across the entire thing. Hit all your corners. One big bag is the perfect amount. And I'm also adding some Parmesan in this. Just add that right over top. I like mine nice and cheesy. We're almost done. I'm just adding a little bit of Italian seasoning right on top of this. No need to add salt here. The cheese is salty enough. This looks so good. Time to put this in the oven and pop this bad boy right in the oven. This is going to be so tasty. Boop. I just took this out of the oven. Look how amazing this turned out. This looks so good. Time to cut this baby open. Oh yeah. I let this cool for about 10 minutes. This looks perfect. Oh, yes. Look at that cheese pull. Let's go. Time to give this a try. This cooked perfect. You want to let the cheese get crispy. This is so cheesy. Can't wait to try. This was so absolutely amazing. Let me know what you think in the comments and hope you all enjoy.